हाय एवरीबॉडी, जय हिंद। वेलकम टू साइलेंट वॉरियर्स। आज हमारे साथ बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं। आई एम सो ग्लैड कि वो यहाँ पर आए हैं और अपना टाइम निकाला है। आज उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने वाली हूँ। आई होप ये पॉडकास्ट सुन के आपको भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। गुड आफ्टरनून मिसेस सिंह।
Good afternoon.
वेलकम टू साइलेंट वॉरियर्स।
Thank you so much,
आई
Bhavna.
रियली अप्रिशिएट आपने शॉर्ट नोटिस पे यहाँ पर मुझे अपने घर बुलाया। आई मस्ट से यू हैव अ लवली हाउस।
Thank you so
So,
much.
and I got a very good setup for my podcast.
You're welcome.
Okay, Mrs. Singh. So first, I would like to please introduce yourself to our viewers.
Okay. So, I'm born and brought up into a very disciplined IPS family, and I belong to state of Jammu and Kashmir and city of Temples, Jammu. I have done my MBA from Jammu University, and I got married to my man in olive green long back in 2010. So it's been 15 years of our marriage, and we are blessed with two lovely daughters. And yes, I'm enjoying this army life, and I look forward to meet new people and make new friends.
Yeah, exactly. This is army life. We always
Yes.
like to meet new people, new circle, है ना?
Yes, of course.
तो शादी से पहले when you got to know that you are going to marry an army person, the olive green. So what were your expectations and what came in your mind?
So, to be very frank, Bhavna, earlier I wasn't ready for this drastic change in my life, because I have been born and brought up into a very, a big family, and in a joint family we used to stay. So I would say that I always have that fear of missing out on all those family functions and gatherings.
Yeah.
But yes, when I had seen my own cousins joining army, and उनकी life जब मैंने देखी and मेरी भाभीयों से और relatives से, I got to see कि कितना beautiful है ये सब, नई जगह पे जाना हमेशा और नए लोगों से मिलना. And I was myself like that. In fact, till now I'm like that. I love traveling. I love exploring new places. So I thought that इससे best और कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है.
Yeah.
So yes, and when I met him, I felt that he is the one for me, and I really looked forward to it. And today I'm here. It's been 15 long years, and I'm enjoying this setup and this organization and the life that the army gives you.
So we can say that you chose this life.
I chose, yes.
By choice.
I
Because
chose this life.
sometimes
yes.
people say हाँ ठीक है, शादी तो हो गई, but बहुत स्ट्रगल है, बहुत कुछ है, but I am happy कि आप पॉजिटिव साइड उसका देख पाए इस लाइफ का और उसको आपने एक्सेप्ट किया. That's really
I
nice.
think it's always better to look towards the positive things in life, right?
Yeah.
क्योंकि हर जगह आप कहीं ना कहीं जिस फील्ड में भी आप जाएंगे, आपको कुछ ना कुछ कमी जरूर दिखेगी. बट आप उससे क्या सीख रहे हो और क्या इम्बाइब कर रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में, और क्या आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो खुद पे, वो बहुत मैटर करता है. आई वुड से दैट आर्मी ही एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जहां आप पूरी दुनिया आराम से घूम सकते हो. यू कैन पैक योर हाउस इन बॉक्सेस अगेन, एंड यू ऑलवेज लुक फॉरवर्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेशन. और वो एक्साइटमेंट हमेशा बनी रहती है कि अब नेक्स्ट हम कहाँ जाने वाले हैं.
Wow.
So I always have that.
You always find, I think, with happiness in packing the stuff.
Yes,
and
packing and unpacking. Because when you unpack it, you are more excited, to set
Yeah.
up. Okay, this is the house now. इसका
Wow.
setup हम ऐसे करेंगे. So I always look forward to it.
You are so encouraging.
Yeah, thank you.
मैं अभी तक जहाँ पोस्टिंग रही है, मेरे को तो बहुत हेडेक लगता था, या सब पैक करना है फिर अनपैक करना है. बट आई थिंक आफ्टर मीटिंग यू, अभी मेरा ये हो गया है चेंज माइंडसेट.
हाँ, I think you should change, because over a period of time, slowly and gradually you will start loving it. And initially मुझे भी थोड़ा लगता था, to be very frank, when I was a newly wedded. But after a few years, this whole thing changed when I changed myself. I thought that why not to look into the positive side again.
Correct.
कि नया स्टेशन होगा, नए लोग मिलेंगे, नई opportunities मिलेंगी to explore that city. So that used to always excite me.
That's really appreciable. So you have two daughters, right?
I have two lovely daughters.
So
yes.
you working right now? Or?
I am not working. I'm taking a break. It's a long break though. Otherwise, before marriage, of course, I was working, and after marriage, I have taught in army schools.
Okay.
But here, I mean, like now my kids are growing and they need my own time. So I felt it's better to take a little break.
तो आपको कभी ऐसा फील हुआ है कि आपने अपना करियर सेक्रीफाइस किया ड्यू टू योर फैमिली, बिकॉज हस्बैंड तो अवेलेबल नहीं है. That I know.
Yeah. So, see, again, I'll tell you, Bhavna. Of course, before marriage, I was working. I've done my MBA in HR and marketing, and I was working with Airtel. I did a project with them. But I knew that अगर आर्मी ऑफिसर से शादी हो रही है तो बीएड करना कंपल्सरी है.
I have done.
Yeah, even I have done. So I always felt that you should always prioritize your life, right? And my father being an IPS officer, I have seen that separation of my mother and my father. So my mother was in bank and my father is a retired IPS officer and maximum tenure he has served in Srinagar.
Okay.
So मैंने तब ये देखा है कि it was very difficult. Like being a daughter, I used to miss him a lot. So I never wanted that for my own children. So it was my own call to go along with him and stay wherever it is possible because वैसे ही separation के लिए फौज आपको मौके बहुत दे देती है. So I felt जहाँ जहाँ हो सकता है possible हमें रहना चाहिए साथ में. And for that I did BEd. I think it's more about learning new things in life, right?
Correct.
And I feel that again अगर कहीं मौका मिल रहा है तो why not? So teaching was basically just to keep myself engaged and busy and to contribute in a way wherever I can. So I thought teaching is the best option.
Yeah, teaching is the best.
So yeah, so that's the only reason I did. And of course साथ रहने को मिल रहा है और आप काम भी कर पा रहे हैं तो दोनों तरफ से आपके हाथ भर रहे हैं तो बल्ले बल्ले.
Correct. तो जैसे हस्बैंड्स की पोस्टिंग आती है इन फील्ड एरिया एंड इन सम हाई टेंशन एरिया आल्सो समटाइम्स. तो दैट टाइम वो जो ड्यूरेशन होता है उसमें आप कैसे खुद को मैनेज करते हो और बच्चों के साथ एक होता है ना यू आर ओनली वन देयर जो हस्बैंड की भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उस टाइम पे कर रहा है मदर की भी कर रहे हैं और आप उनकी फैमिली को भी संभाल रहे हो. तो हाउ डू यू मैनेज ऑल दीज थिंग्स?
वेल आई थिंक यू हैव टू मेक अ बैलेंस, राइट? आप कहीं ना कहीं आपको खुद को डिसाइड करना पड़ता है कि कहाँ आप प्रायोरिटाइज कर रहे हो चीज़ों को. तो I think when you marry an army officer, you know that separation also comes along and long distance relation भी कभी-कभी हो जाता है. But you know what you're doing, right? So you should be prepared for it. And I remember the first time I got married to him, he told me that ये चीज़ भी आएगी, so be prepared for it. So mentally, I think I was very well prepared. And जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, my father was also in police and he's a retired IPS officer. तो पापा भी usually बाहर रहते थे. So I have seen my mother, struggling between social callings and children and of course her own office. So I think मैंने उनसे बहुत सीखा कि how to strike a balance घर और बच्चों में और बाकी चीज़ों में. So I think it was, which was.
No, it was not new for you.
It was not new.
It was already inculcated कि जब ऐसे husband wife अलग होते हैं तो किस तरह से family को manage करना होता है. That's nice. So इस चीज़ ने आपको काफी help की होगी.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
ना बच्चों की
बहुत helpful रहा ये चीज़ मेरे लिए because मम्मा को देखा था how she used to do and that the same way I also followed.
So during your pregnancy period and delivery period, was he there with you?
No, not always. Luckily, during my elder one, he was available. But then there was certain other, problems and things going around. My mother-in-law was detected with cancer. So all the time हम लोग नहीं साथ में रह पाए. Then there were like courses that he had to go for. So, but yes, of course, you always used to look forward कि कब मैं सुनाऊंगी news and कब he'll come back to me and when we'll share. Those good times of bringing up our own child together. So separation, I think, comes with,
it's a part.
It's a part and parcel of our life. And I think all the Fauji wives will relate to it.
Yeah, definitely.
And even during the second pregnancy, again, he was not available. And I still remember he could just get leave for 3 days.
Okay.
And he just came. I told him that I'm going to get admitted tomorrow in hospital. So he somehow managed and came. And delivery हुई and just
oh my God.
So but I think I mean this is where they belong, right? You are the second love and the country is their first love, I would say. So yes, they have to go back to it.
तो जैसे आप पहले जॉब करते थे, then फैमिली के चलते आपने अपना जॉब सैक्रिफाइस किया. तो एक होता है ना कि कुछ साइड हॉबी हम कर लेते हैं, समथिंग टू कीप योरसेल्फ बिजी जब बच्चे भी स्कूल है. तो कुछ ऐसा आपने अपनी लाइफ में किया हो?
यस, आई थिंक फौज में रहकर अगर नहीं किया है तो देयर इज नथिंग एल्स दैट यू कैन डू इन लाइफ. सो ऑफ कोर्स आई एक्सप्लोर्ड दैट आई कैन do baking. Wow. I think there are a few places if anybody who has gone to that side like Wellington and you know
Mhm.
Mau आप जाते हैं जब आप के husband courses के लिए जाते हैं. So you have ample of opportunities there to learn. I learned everything. मतलब मुझे लगता नहीं है कि मैंने कुछ भी छोड़ा होगा. So I explored that I can go for singing. So I have a YouTube channel, though very small. I have just put few videos, and I recorded one of the video with my own.
You are a singer, right?
Yes, I am.
So इस podcast के end में we want one song.
Okay.
Now you can continue.
Okay. So and dancing was there. I have been a stage person basically from the very beginning, from the school time I would say. I was a MC in school and in my college, university level as well, and I was into singing. So organization gave me more of the platform, you know, where I could just portray myself. And इसी के चलते, I think I became so confident in doing all these things that I participated recently last year only in Mrs. India INC.
Oh wow!
And I was one of the finalists.
Oh wow, that's so nice.
Yes, and I think participating there also it gave me a lot of confidence. I mean, I learned a lot from it as well. The makeup, the way how you should walk, how you should sit and talk, and all those things. So yes, it was possible only because I had, you know, stayed with him for all these 15 years and learned so much from the senior ladies and from the newbies who are coming in the forge. I mean, every day you learn, right? I believe learning is a thing which never ends.
Yeah.
So it is up to you how you take it.
Yeah.
So I think this organization gave a lot to me, and that's how I could do it.
Or we can say you took out the opportunities from this organization.
Yeah, you can
Because
say that.
everybody can't do this.
Right.
Whatever you are saying, whatever you have achieved, everybody cannot do that. So you are extraordinary.
Oh,
I
thank you
must
so
say.
much. Thank you.
Have you ever heard about any myth about army life कि ऐसा होता है, लेकिन जब आप इसमें आ गए हो इस फर्टर्निटी में, then you realize कि नहीं, ये ऐसा नहीं है, लोग बहुत अलग चीजें सोचते हैं. तो
I think yes, people in civil have a lot of myths that they carry about army life. एक तो यही है कि आप लोग बहुत पार्टी करते हो, बस काम कुछ नहीं होता है फौज में. You people just party, which is very wrong.
Yeah.
I think we in army believe in giving 100% to everything.
Yeah.
Right? जब हम लोग बॉर्डर पे होते हैं और डेडिकेटेडली कभी कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है जैसे अभी लास्ट आई थी ऑप सिंदूर के टाइम पे, तो एवरीबडी वाज देयर. एंड टुडे ओनली आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू वन ऑफ द पोस्ट दैट वन ऑफ द लेडी हैज मेंशन्ड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम that it's not only about Fauji, it is about the Fauji wife also.
Yeah.
How they were managing, you know, back at the back end. जब हमारे सब officers and हमारे सब army personals, they were all there at the border. It was very difficult. I have few of my friends जो कि जम्मू में ही posted थे, so मैं उनसे रोज टच में थी because the situation was very bad there, and I belong to Jammu. My parents were also staying there. So इतना खराब situation था that they were like we want to, one of the lady, I will not mention the name, she was from my own unit and she gave me a call कि I want to stay back because my husband is going to stay here. They are telling us to pack our bags and move because situation is such, but I would like to stay here. Can I stay at your place? So I told her that my home is always open for you. I gave her my mother's number. I told her you can shift there. So, but people always have this thing that it is a very, you know, blingy life. You enjoy all the time. No, it is not. Plus, second is I would like to say that people feel that everything is free. You know, accommodation is free. The furniture you get is free. You get freebies in the form of, you know, CSD also. But it's a myth. I mean, you go and find out yourself. It's not free. You pay bill for everything. हमारे जो पूरा सीधे का जो आता है उसमें सब कटा के ही आता है. I think आपका electricity, water bill, everything we are paying.
हाँ, हम सब पे कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, but people generally in civil don't know. So they feel that ये सब लोग तो बस मजे कर रहे हैं.
नहीं,
Which is not true.
क्योंकि जो क्वार्टर हमें मिलता है जिसमें हम रह रहे हैं उसका भी कुछ कट जाता है, उसके बाद हम रहने को मिलता है.
Absolutely.
But they feel like तुम्हें तो घर भी
मिल जाता है.
हाँ. We have already paid for it.
Yeah, that they don't know. They are not aware.
अच्छा, जैसे मैं हर पॉडकास्ट में ये जवान्स की वाइफ के बारे में ज़रूर जानना पसंद करती हूँ जो भी यहाँ पर आते हैं कि उनके बारे में आप क्या सोचते हो. हम लोग किस तरह मैनेज करते हैं फिर भी समझ में आता है. वो लोग किस तरह मैनेज करते हैं, क्योंकि उन लोगों का सेपरेशन भी ज्यादा रहता है
हम्म,
और ज्यादातर वो सब थोड़ा गांव से होती हैं
बिल्कुल।
और वहाँ पर फैमिली कल्चर भी बहुत है, होता है ना, फैमिलीज का भी ध्यान रखना,
हाँ,
तो वो कहाँ से इतना हिम्मत कहाँ से लाती हैं इतनी?
So, to be very frank, अगर मैं अपने ही बारे में बताऊँ, I had interacted with around last year, I will say, I think 2-3 years back, with 400-500 families. So, हर एक जो lady है, they come from different background.
Yeah.
But I told you earlier also, right, that ये जितने भी हम लोग आर्मी लाइफ में आते हैं ना, लेडीज स्पेशली शादी करके, दे आर ऑल एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. आई थिंक दे आर, यस, बिकॉज उन्हें पता है वो कहाँ जा रहे हैं, राइट, एंड दे आर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट सिचुएशन. ये सोच के भी इफ दे कम एंड get married to an army personnel, so I think hats off to all of them, because they are, I would say, class apart, I would say, right?
They are.
And अगर इनकी बात करूँ मैं, तो I think काफी हद तक we try also to help them out. I remember when my husband was in one of the unit he was commanding, so during the COVID times, initially हम लोग जब गए थे, तो I couldn't talk to any of the families because COVID चल रहा था. So I planned to make a group of families. जैसे पल्टन्स होती हैं, हमने उसके ग्रुप्स बना लिए थे अपने, जिसमें सब फैमिलीज थी. So we were like in touch with them, you know, continuously. कि किसी को कोई किसी तरह की तकलीफ है, जैसे सामान नहीं मिल रहा है and all those things, and we tried to help them out in some way or the other.
Correct.
After a period of time, जब थोड़ा सा कोविड का सेटल डाउन होना शुरू हुआ, so I got to know that people were like कि बच्चों के लिए मैडम कुछ होना चाहिए, because the kids were really, I think, under depression also. पूरा दिन घर में बंद रह रहे थे. So I remember we started with the dance classes. And then I thought that why only kids should dance? You know, we ladies should also dance.
Yeah.
So we started the dance classes for the ladies as well.
Wow.
So which was one of the steps that I took, and I think it was a collective decision of all the ladies who were there with me to help me out, of course, because आप अकेले कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं लाइफ में, है ना? I think a team effort जो है वो ज़्यादा मैटर करता है. So everybody enjoyed that. And peace station में, of course, जब ये लोग साथ रहते हैं, so we try to help them out by telling them that, you know, they should pursue some kind of courses. और जैसे क्रोशिया में कुछ लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं आजकल. If you'll see, then some of the ladies जो हमारे यहाँ थे, I remember one of them was PhD. So I told her that why don't you go and give exam for, you know, I mean, university or colleges. So I think nowadays people are very well educated. They are smart. I mean, all the ladies, I would say. So उनको पता है वो लाइफ में क्या करना चाहते हैं.
ऐसे ही जिस यूनिट से मैं हूँ, वहाँ पर जो फैमिलीज हैं, जवान्स की वाइफ हैं, दे यूज्ड टू कीप इतना घूंघट. तो वी हैव रेजिंग डेज, एज यू नो. तो रेजिंग डे जब हुआ, तो आई वाज लाइक कि यार एक परफॉर्मेंस होना चाहिए, जो होता है हमारा वेलफेयर वाला. आप मानोगे नहीं, बिहाइंड दैट घूंघट आई वाज लाइक, इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट लेडीज हैं, व्हाट शो दे गेव टू अस. क्या उन्होंने किया स्टेज पे आके. तो उनमें बहुत कुछ होता है, बस हमारा शायद ये ड्यूटी होती है कि उनमें से वो टैलेंट
निकालना कैसे, राइट,
वो निकल जाए ना, देन दे आर ऑल राउंडर.
बिल्कुल.
तो मैं उनसे टच में रहती हूँ. आई ऑलवेज फील वेरी मोटिवेटेड व्हेन आई टॉक.
एब्सोल्युटली, दैट्स व्हाट आई से ना, दैट हम हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ सीखते हैं. आई वुड से हम अपने बच्चों से भी कुछ ना कुछ जरूर सीखते हैं. सो आई थिंक अगर आपको किसी से भी सीखने को मिल रहा है, छोटा बड़ा, इट डजंट मैटर. इफ यू आर ओपन फॉर लर्निंग, यू कैन लर्न एनीवेयर. So I remember that one of the ladies, she was from Northeast in my unit. She used to make such beautiful those handbags. वो जो I don't know what material it was called, but वो इतने सुंदर handbags बनाती थी. That we told her, why don't you open your page? And you know, nowadays social media and all is playing such a vital role that people are earning from it. So we always used to motivate them. So I think आज की डेट में आपको सिर्फ वो चेक करना है कि वो कहाँ अच्छे हैं और उनको उसी चीज के लिए मोटिवेट करना. दे आर गुड टू गो. सो या दैट इज हाउ इट इज.
ऐसे तो मिसेस सिंह हमारी लाइफ में बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स होते हैं. बहुत टफ ज्यादा होते हैं और सिंपल थोड़े कम होते हैं. सो एनी टफेस्ट मोमेंट इन योर लाइफ व्हिच यू हैव हैंडल्ड अलोन?
Yes, of course. It is a very recent incident which happened with us. So it is about his command time, and I still remember that it was Sunday, and we had a ladies अपना get together in our own mess. And once I got back home, so he was not available.
Okay.
So I just thought he might have gone somewhere, maybe some office work or something. But for 2 days I couldn't contact him.
Okay.
And that was the very toughest moment of my life, I would say, till now, because I just got to know from one of the officer that he is gone to some forward area for one of the operations. अब वो क्या है क्या नहीं है ये मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था, और 2 दिन तक मेरी बिल्कुल बात नहीं हुई थी. So finally third day I gave a call again to that officer and he told me, मैम सर आज आपको फ़ोन करेंगे. So I was like, ठीक है. Then I got to know that he's in some forward area. He didn't explain everything on phone because of course they're not allowed to. But he said, I'll be back soon. But I clearly remember those 5 days. I was completely, I mean like in panic situation. And घर पे बस वही पूजा and everything that ठीक ठाक जहाँ भी है वहीं से वापस आ जाए. And though he saved 14 more lives along with him. For that he got awarded recently. And but वो 5 दिन मेरे लिए बहुत difficult थे because I still cannot forget those 5 days of my life. I mean, how I used to tell my children, they are like totally unaware कि पापा कहाँ चले गए हैं suddenly. But so that's why people say that army life is very glamorous. आप लोग बहुत enjoy करते हो. No, I mean with this glamorous life there are certain things which come, like fear is one of the
biggest
things.
Fear of
it is the biggest fear of life कि गए हैं पता है but कब वापस आएंगे कब नहीं आएंगे, you don't know. And especially being in such kind of profession where they are taking risk every day. So I think this was the toughest thing in my life, this toughest situation which I handled. Though I tried to smile, but अंदर मुझे पता था कि how difficult it was for me that time.
और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये सब जो आगे जाकर के नेशन को सर्व करते हैं ये भी इतनी कॉन्फिडेंटली इसीलिए कर पाते हैं बिकॉज आप जैसे वो जैसे और हम जैसे कितने लेडीज हैं जो उनके पीछे खड़ी होती हैं और उनको पूरा सपोर्ट कर रहे होते हैं कि आप करो अपना नेशन को सर्व करो.
हाँ, और हम
बाकी हम
संभाल लेंगे. Very true.
So hats off to all the ladies in this fraternity, I guess.
Yes, indeed.
तो वो जो ranks हैं दिखते नहीं हैं but we have
those invisible ranks.
Yeah, invisible
absolutely.
अभी आपने बताया वो 5 days were hardest day of your life. उस टाइम पे ऑब्वियसली बच्चे भी पूछते हैं पापा कहाँ हैं कब आएंगे, फैमिलीज भी पेरेंट्स भी पूछते हैं. तो कैसे आपने मैनेज किए वो 5 दिन?
So well, it was very difficult. I think the mission that they had gone for, basically a team was struck in avalanche.
Okay.
And there were 14 people whom they rescued. I mean, or minus 50 or something temperature pe in that very terrain they were flying. Which was very difficult, but when I used to spend time with my children, I used to tell them that Papa has gone for something good, to save lives of people. So they used to feel motivated. I remember that the day he came, I was ready. Or the children, they just ran towards him. उनको जाके hug करके they're like, "Yay, you are the strongest, Papa. You saved so many people."
But I think that time you were the strongest one. Papa is doing his job. पर बच्चों को ये नहीं पता कि मम्मा कितनी strong है.
हाँ, because I used to keep my emotions, I used to hold them together and घर पे भी जिससे बात करती थी हाँ सब ठीक है. I used to portray myself, मैं बहुत strong हूँ और सब कुछ बिल्कुल बढ़िया है. You need not to worry. He'll be back soon. But अंदर ही अंदर मुझे था कि कब, because it was not clear. हमें भी मालूम नहीं था कि ये मिशन कब खत्म होने वाला है, कब ये लोग वापस आने वाले हैं. And it was of course tough, to fly without doors and in that temperature and at that height, which was 21,000 something feet, 20,000 something feet, yeah. So I mean, it still gives me goosebumps. कि वो 5 दिन बहुत मुश्किल थे मेरे लिए. But हाँ, मंदिर में जैसे I used to go to temple. I'm a very spiritual person that ways, and I'm a Shivji Bhakt. So I truly believe in those divine powers. I think that was the reason, one of the reason that we are together today also, and it helped him also a lot to, save those 14 more families. So वो बहुत ही tough था, but at the same time I knew that अंदर ही मुझे भी strong रहना पड़ेगा for my own children and the family to not let him, face this situation and somewhere having those small little even tension. Because flying एक ऐसा profession है जहाँ आप बिल्कुल मतलब हेवी माइंड से तो बिल्कुल नहीं जा सकते हो, यू हैव टू बी वेरी रिलैक्स्ड। एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर वन ऑफ माई सीनियर लेडी, शी वॉज माई फर्स्ट सीईओ वाइफ आई वुड से। उन्होंने एक पहली चीज़ जो मुझे बोली थी, वो बोली थी बेटा हमेशा ध्यान रखना कि हस्बैंड सुबह जाए ना, तो वो जो कोई अगर छोटी मोटी लड़ाई वड़ाई हो ना, उसको रात को सुलझा लेना और भूल जाना कि सुबह अगले दिन व्हेन ही इज गोइंग फॉर फ्लाइंग ही शुड गो विद अ हैप्पी हार्ट। सो आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दोज लाइन्स, यू नो, एंड आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज टेल, जो भी लेडीज हमारे भी यूनिट में आते थे, मैं उनको भी सबको यही बताती थी, कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो आपकी लाइफ में घर कर जाती हैं और जो किसी ने कहा होता है आपसे। तो आई थिंक दैट वाज वन ऑफ द लेसन व्हिच आई गॉट फ्रॉम माय फर्स्ट सीईओ वाइफ, जो कि आज डेट तक आई अप्लाई दैट in my life also.
Wow, that's so nice. That's a lesson for not a lesson, I must say, that's a good advice
Yeah,
for everybody, for every lady, I guess. What kind of strength a motherhood requires in army life?
I think as in हम शुरू से ये चीज़ डिस्कस करते आ रहे हैं कि एक आर्मी वाइफ जो है, she knows her responsibilities. Once she's married to a man in uniform, तो उसे पहले से ही पता होता है. But of course, being a mother is another level, right? You level up when you become a mother. And I think Forge एक ऐसी fraternity है जहाँ पे you get support from your other ladies. So I would say that you never feel alone. Like I remember when I was expecting my second child, one of our own course mate was there. That lady has fed me so much that I put on a lot during my second pregnancy. And I think we all as a team, we are always ready to, you know, help out each other on small little things. I think mentally भी आप इतने strong हो जाते हो कि आपको भी पता रहता है कि अगर husband नहीं भी available है, so I have my own set of friends, I have my own girl gang, I have my first lady, I have my 2IC's wife, you know, to look after me. So आप बहुत smoothly, I would say, आप you know, फौज में आप रह के you can plan your child and
this I
get
have
away with
observed
it.
कि जो ये हमारा जो लेडीज का बॉन्ड हो जाता है ना इस फर्टिलिटी में आके, this is inseparable, unbreakable.
Absolutely.
तो अच्छा लगता है ऐसे कि अब कहीं भी जाओ, अब जैसे हम मिले हैं, we are also meeting for the first time. मुझे लगता है अभी लास्ट पॉडकास्ट भी जिनके साथ मेरा हुआ था उनसे मैं पहली बार मिली थी, बट एक वो ऐसा उनसे मिलते ही बॉन्ड बन गया कि आप लाइफ टाइम याद रखते हो, है ना, कनेक्ट रहते हो.
आई थिंक इट इज ऑलवेज देयर, ये हमेशा ही रहता है. लाइक आई हैड वन ऑफ द कंटेस्टेंट, इफ आई मेंशन, यू नो, इन दिस मिसेस इंडिया आईएनसी, हम थ्रू मिसेस इंडिया आईएनसी कनेक्ट हुए एंड हम इतने ज्यादा कनेक्ट हो गए कि हम यहाँ से ट्रैवल करके भी साथ गए, वापस भी हम साथ में आए एंड टिल डेट आई एम इन टच विद हर. शी इज हियर ओनली इन दिल्ली, तो हम कभी भी होता है मौका मिलता है तो हम मिल भी लेते हैं. सो आई थिंक फौज एक ऐसी चीज है कि आप फौज छोड़ भी दोगे ना, फौज आपको नहीं छोड़ेगी. इट इज अ वेरी राइट सेइंग.
यस, फौज कभी नहीं छोड़ेगी.
सो आई थिंक यही एक बॉन्ड है जो आपको मदरहुड में भी हेल्प करता है, बिकॉज आप इन लेडीज़ के साथ इतना अच्छा बॉन्ड क्रिएट कर लेते हो, इतने अच्छे तरह से आप हो रहते हो कि हर कोई लेडी अपने लेवल पे यू नो आपको एडवाइस देने के लिए या आपको गाइड करने के लिए हमेशा रेडी रहती है. सो यू नेवर मिस आउट ऑन योर फैमिली. आई ऑलवेज बिलीव दैट आर्मी इज अ फैमिली अवे फ्रॉम अ फैमिली दैट यू हैव. अगर हम पूरे साल में से 2 महीने अगर हम अपनी फैमिली के साथ बिताते हैं घर पे अपने, तो बाकी का टाइम हम अपनी आर्मी फैमिली के साथ ही रहते हैं. सो दैट्स हाउ यू क्रिएट मोर ऑफ बॉन्ड्स हियर इन दिस फैमिली. So I think motherhood becomes very easy with such people around you, जो कि आपको हमेशा गाइड करने के लिए या एडवाइस करने के लिए हेल्पफुल रहते हैं, and they keep guiding you on each and every step. And not to miss that the way they feed you. Like everybody's like, आज मैं ये भेज देती हूँ, you know.
I remember in my pregnancy period, my CO wife, she used to send some, you know, चटपटा वाला कुछ बनवा करके कि भावना तुम्हें ये मन करता होगा
खाने का. हाँ, I know.
तो वो जो प्यार और केयर मिलता है ना सब सीनियर लेडी से, that is really cute.
So as in they say also na that CO and CO wife are like mother and father of the unit. So it is very apt because I have myself felt it. Like in 4 years of his command, I have seen that suddenly you take a different role. It's not about the rank your husband has achieved, but it is more of about the responsibility which comes.
Yes.
So आपको ऐसा लगने लगता है कि हाँ ये सब अब आप ही के बच्चे हैं, you only have to take care of them. So it happens, like कोई भी किसी के यहाँ कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ जाती थी. I remember I used to be always in मतलब dressed up and ready कि अगर कुछ भगवान ना करे कभी किसी के कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो, but कभी कुछ हो तो जाना पड़ता था. And I remember that it's always if you are available for them. सो यू नो दे ऑल्सो फील गुड,
Yes.
है ना, मतलब आप उनको अगर हेल्प करने के लिए कभी भी रेडी रहते हो तो उनको भी अच्छा लगता है.
है.
I remember once I really got a big, you know, shout from my husband when he said that families को visit के लिए जाना था, and I used to keep Friday का fast. And इसमें मैं वैभव लक्ष्मी का व्रत रखती थी जिसमें आप किसी के घर के पानी भी नहीं पी सकते. And that was my first and the only time,
Okay.
because he's like, you had gone to visit your families. How bad they would have felt. They must have been preparing since long. कि सीओ मैडम आ रही है, सीओ मैडम आ रही है.
और उन्होंने
कुछ खाया पिया नहीं. I was like, हाँ, ये तो मुझसे गलती हो गई. He's like, never go on Fridays now. So that was the first and last lesson that I learned, that you know, okay.
क्योंकि वो इतने प्यार से अरेंज करके रखते हैं,
बहुत प्यार से. They want you to eat and मतलब oh God. And I remember उसके बाद से मैं जिस भी फैमिली विजिट पे गई हूँ, I have like hogged like anything. मैं सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट और दोपहर का लंच नहीं करती थी कि मुझे इतना खाना मेरे को मिलेगा. But it is all their love, you know, in a form of the food that they prepare, that you know, that shows. So you always look forward to it also.
Yeah. I think we also show love to the bachelors जो हमारे
of course.
तो वही form of food, in the form of food we show them love. They come, मैम भूख लगी है, कुछ खिला दो, कुछ बना दो, ये खिला दो, तो हमें भी अच्छा लगता है कि चलो they are coming.
और हमारी प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाती है.
Correct. Like ज़्यादा बनाने की.
Yeah, because I remember when I was a newlywed, तो अब शुरू में तो इतनी आदत नहीं होती है इतने लोगों के लिए खाना बनाने की. So they all used to come and आपकी स्पीड बहुत स्लो रहती है. So I remember I used to make paranthas, but I used to be very slow क्योंकि I used to take that bowl and cut that parantha और साथ से edges निकालती थी. So it is all thanks to the bachelors who used to come because उन्होंने इतना सिखा दिया था कि हाँ जल्दी खा रहे हैं तो फटाफट बनाना पड़ेगा. And sometimes it used to be all over, तो they're like, कोई बात नहीं मैम, प्लेन पराठा एंड भुजिया भी चलेगा.
And they are happy that also.
Yeah, they are happy with that.
हम खुश हैं.
बिल्कुल.
That's the lovely part of Fauj life.
I know.
Any message for our future army wives?
Well, I would just like to say that it's a very wonderful organization. You know, it's better that you come with a positive mindset and learn to imbibe the good things. I understand nowadays majorly ladies are working. We completely understand that. But I remember one lesson which my husband gave me, that you know, initial days of our marriage, कि देखो फौज में आके you are a part of this organization. कुछ ना कुछ काम छोटा मोटा आता रहेगा, you will have to do it. अब आप हंसते करो या मुंह फुला के करो या जैसे भी करो. So I still remember that I decided that it's better to do it हंस के ना, मतलब what is wrong, और ऐसा कुछ होता भी नहीं है. I think it's very small. Once in a month, you know, you get a chance, and once in a month you have to do certain things, and that too in a team. I mean, it's all distributed. You have to do it. अब आज की डेट में तो वैसे ही nobody wants to bother people much because everybody is busy with their own lives, their career. So छोटा मोटा काम ही रहता है. But अगर आप हंस के करोगे और अगर आप उसको इस तरह से लोगे कि जैसे आप शादी करके नई फैमिली में जाते हो, आप वहाँ भी एडजस्ट करते हो. सो दिस इज अगेन अ फैमिली ओनली दैट यू आर कमिंग टू एंड यू हैव टू एडजस्ट हियर. सो अगर आप कुछ चीज़ें आप उनकी एक्सेप्ट करोगे, कुछ आप उनसे मनवा लोगे, यू नो, तो इट विल बी ईजियर फॉर यू. सो आई विल ऑलवेज से दैट इट्स बेटर टू टेक एवरीथिंग इन अ पॉजिटिव स्ट्राइड एंड बी ओपन. आई थिंक दैट इज द ओनली थिंग यू रिक्वायर. Just be open to them. And I would like to suggest to the new CEO wives as well that being a CEO wife, don't take it, you know, that you are the only one, but try to evolve and engage all of them with you and work as a team, because it is very important nowadays. आज की डेट में हमारे खुद के बच्चे जब है ना, हमें उनको भी थोड़ा प्यार व्यार से मनाना पड़ता है. I think the same way we have to pamper the new girls who are coming to this fraternity. Yeah.
अभी आपने स्टार्टिंग में बताया था that you are a singer also.
Oh yes.
So for our viewers, 2 lines please.
Okay. So I'll just sing one of his favorite songs, because I
please.
always mention that he really likes the song and I always want to sing this one for him. So this one for him only.
Please.
Okay. होती है क्या गम की शाम, जल उठे सादे जब लिया तेरा नाम, क्या जानू सजन होती है क्या गम की शाम, जल उठे सादे जब लिया तेरा नाम, क्या जानू सजन. I think I'll sing this much only.
Oh my God, Mrs. Singh. Why
Thank
don't you try in Indian Idol and any other singing contest? You sing so well.
Thank you so much,
Such a
Bhavna.
beautiful voice you have. You're totally blessed.
Thank you. I have a music album also which we have recorded. It's just a single song.
Can you please name it for our
But,
viewers?
Okay, so it is basically a medley which is by Shivani, Ajay, and Surya.
Okay.
Surya Lok Datta. So we
Okay.
had it is basically unplugged version of a Shreya Ghoshal's song, which is Lagan Lagi Re, and it is available on YouTube also.
Okay,
And I
I'm
have-
going to share the link on
Yeah,
my
please.
page also.
Surely you can.
Wow. That's
And it just happened to me, I think, which I had sung with two of the officers.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so that's how it is.
अच्छा, you were telling bachelor's game ना उस वो
हाँ, so
वाला
it just
बता रहे थे.
happened. It just happened. So like, usually वही bachelors phone करते हैं और आ जाते हैं कि ma'am, we want to eat something. So they had come for a Sunday breakfast brunch. I still remember. And one of the officer there, and he told me that, ma'am, I think this song you should sing. ये बहुत अच्छा जाएगा आपकी आवाज़ पे. So I was like, okay. तो मैंने कहा हाँ ठीक है, I'll practice and I'll let you know. So he's like, ma'am आज ही करना है.
Oh wow.
मैंने कहा आज ही करना है. So he's like, नहीं, we'll go today and we'll record it. So I still remember that मैंने गाड़ी में ही जाते जाते वो song पूरा practice किया था. And we gave it a shot and it came out wonderfully.
Oh wow.
And that's how I felt that, okay, I can continue with this thing.
Yeah.
But with moving, of course, you know, places, you cannot continue. But I plan to add on more songs to it.
You must.
Yeah.
You have such a lovely voice.
Thank you so much, Bhavna.
Okay. And it's been so great आपसे बात करके जो मुझे आज इतनी पॉजिटिविटी मिली है. Thank you for that and thank you for coming on my podcast.
My pleasure.
And
indeed.
प्लीज स्टे कनेक्टेड विद मी बिकॉज आई थिंक आपसे जो पॉजिटिविटी मुझे मिल रही है पॉडकास्ट सुन के हमारे व्यूअर्स को भी मिलेगी.
Surely.
एंड यू आर सच अ ग्रेट पर्सन. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, Bhavna. Thank you for taking your time and you know, coming to my place and
Thank you.
having me over your podcast.
थैंक यू.
Thank you. Thank you.
ओके व्यूअर्स, दैट्स ऑल. आई होप आपको ये पॉडकास्ट सुन के अच्छा लगा होगा. For suggestions, please share the comment in the comment section, and any suggestions, any improvisation, you are always open to share it with me. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.